Hello everyone, welcome to my channel #Masala Chai, adding that perfect spice to your life. Today's recipe, I have decided to make another delicious dessert recipe. It's nothing but caramel pudding. Now, in this recipe, the measurements are really important. Let's quickly check the ingredients. Half liter milk, 3 eggs, 3 to 4 tablespoons milk powder, 4 to 5 tablespoons powdered sugar, as in sugar which you made it into powdered form in mixer. Another 6 tablespoons of normal sugar to make the caramel. Vanilla essence, 1 slice of bread. This is just for additional binding. And I will be using this mold. The milk first, sugar, milk powder.
Make the bread into small pieces. Adding 3 eggs which was kept into room temperature. Be generous with the vanilla essence as it adds great flavor. I am using 2 tablespoons and then giving it a quick mix. Let's make the caramel, for which I am adding the sugar in a non-stick pan. Keep the gas on medium flame and for perfect result add 1 to 2 tablespoons of water. Do not use any stirrer in the process, only turn the pan gently. Always keep an eye as it gets burnt really quickly and the entire process takes about 2 minutes. Be very careful as it gets extremely hot.
Just quickly turn off the gas. It's the perfect caramel that I wanted. I'm pouring it.
Keep this aside for 5 minutes and let it completely cool down, and then gently pour the mixture on it.
So I have preheated my oven for 5 minutes and then putting this in the microwave. Put it in the convection mode in 180 degrees Celsius. So this is one of my mom's recipe which I used to love in my childhood a lot. So I just thought today I'll prepare that. Yeah. Let's check. It's been some time, guys. Yeah, it's perfectly done, all set.
Let it completely cool down at least for 1 to 2 hours and then keep it in the fridge for 7 to 8 hours or overnight.
Hello everyone, so we are back with the final product. This has rested in the fridge for 7 to 8 hours. So you have to scrape it with the help of a knife like this and do it gently. Like this. Voila. Turn it and see, it's gorgeous. The final product, caramel pudding from my mom's kitchen. As I mentioned, it's my childhood favorite.